to Stuttgart. As a State Secretary at the Ministry of Digital Society, I'm really honored to announce the winner of the category Digital. Advanced technologies are used so wisely in this winning entry to rethink a traditional product from the ground up and completely redesign the performance. So the jury was impressed by how the team used digital tools to realize the concept. And the winner is, of the category Digital, the brush, recreating humankind's first tool. So congratulations to Süß and Friends Ingenieurbüro Philipp Süß. Well deserved, and congrats from the whole jury, and keep on running for the future.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to the team of Süß and Friends, Tim and Timothy, great support. Thank you to the judges, and thank you to the other contestants. Your work is absolutely amazing and inspiration. Thank you.